Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to the folks watching on OneSpotMedia.com.
A reminder as well that you can download our One Spot Media app in the Google Play Store or the App Store. That's the number 1 followed by the word Spot and Media.
The Office of the Children's Registry, OCR, is reporting a jump in the number of reports of child abuse for the year for which the most recent statistics are available.
The Registrar of the OCR, Greg Smith, made the revelation at this morning's launch of National Child Month. TVJ's Janella Precious reports.
About 14,000, the number of children reported to have experienced some form of abuse between January and December 2015, and most of them girls.
The OCR received 13,948 reports, representing an increase of 18.7% over the previous year. Of those reports received, 9,838 represented children who have been reported to the OCR for the first time.
The Children's Registrar, Greg Smith, revealed the figure at a press briefing on Thursday. It's not clear yet whether that figure increased in 2016. That data are not yet available. It should also be noted that the figure represents reports of child abuse rather than confirmed cases. And in fact, there is still no system in place at the registry to determine how many of these reported cases have led to prosecution. But the increase in the number of first reports is worrying.
Unlike the previous year, where there was a decline in the number of first reports observed, there was a 15% increase in the number of new cases received in 2015.
In the meantime, a breakdown of the statistics provided by the OCR show that neglect continues to be the most common report of abuse received by the agency.
51% of the total reports made to the OCR in 2015 had elements of neglect. Other categories which featured high percentage were children in need of care and protection, 41%. Those who exhibited behavioral problems, 35%, and children who were sexually abused, 27%.
Mr. Smith says while the culture of silence is still quite prevalent in Jamaica, the OCR is seeing a rise in the number of persons willing to come forward. Janella Precious, TVJ News.